Wait. I know this. 8.
Wrong. You have 12.
What? Is your...
No?
There's a girl that goes to our church. She used to have 10 fingers, 12 fingers and 12 toes.
12
Okay,
fingers.
what's that got to do with him?
He's got that right too.
Oh.
Oh, yeah?
He's got what?
It was 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my gosh, she is right.
How many
Hey,
toes do you have?
Hurry up.
I am. It's hard and it's not. It's nasty.
48.
48 toes?
I did that with my mind.
Oh.
Okay, you told me the story before.
I made a whole bunch of toes just randomly appear and then
I
disappear.
remember you telling me.
Okay, Justin. What was the day, month, year, time,
8:30.
and day of the week were you born?
Blah, 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 blah. Let's put them on for the news.
I don't know the time.
What about the day?
Tuesday.
How many miles is it from the
I
Earth
said
to
I
the
was
sun?
born on Tuesday.
Yeah.
You were born
Well, that
on
was 642.
Sunday.
I
What?
was born on
I
a
don't
Sunday.
know. That was a total guess.
I feel so loved. Wait, how do you know?
How do I know? Because I was there. You were going to be induced on Monday and you came on Sunday. That's how I know.
You're
He was going to be
lucky.
induced on Thursday and he came on Tuesday.
Wait, what does induce mean?
It means you're taking too long to get out. The
They
doctor
pull you
got
out.
to get out.
So you were gonna have a. I shouldn't say this.
Yeah.
Huh.
They're gonna put you in labor and then they're gonna pull me out.
They give you drugs to induce your labor, dear, and make you have contractions.
I don't want to hear this.
That's my
Alright.
Okay.
Alright.
I'm a growing 10-year-old boy.
Okay.
So I started learning about this stuff when I was 9.
I don't think I said anything that was going to shatter your manhood.
You are a girl.
So
I'm a guy. I don't have to go through that.
yeah, you do. You gotta go through it sooner or later.
You have
when
to sit
get
there
the
and
answer
watch
You
her.
have to watch it.
No, I don't.
No.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah.
No, I just did this. Okay, honey, I'm holding your hand the whole time.
Probably so.
Yeah, probably right.
I can't bear.
Can't let
Guys
it-
couldn't handle it, their stomach, or have the pain.
I was watching this movie.
Couldn't handle the pain.
No.
I was watching this movie, and this guy's wife was having a baby, and he passed out.
Yeah, that usually
Oh,
happens.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
It was funny though, because
If he's got a weak stomach.
the guy
That's
passed
me.
out.
No, it's not.
Yes.
You're just 10 right now. You got plenty of time.
Plenty of time.
You got plenty of time.
Oh, good. That means I get to experience and not pass out.
Yeah, that's true.
I'd rather pass out, honestly.
No, you don't. I've almost passed out before. Not a fun feeling.
Yeah, I know, because of cleaning products.
No, that's not true. I've almost passed out in gymnastics meet. And I've almost passed out.
That's from not eating or drinking much water. That'll happen.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, she got dehydrated once when we were about to get in the truck. She was like,
Well, that's what happens.
and she was flipping out.
I was 6 and felt like I was about to puke.
Yes, and then Dad came with like 6 ice packs, and he was like, here. Ah,
They closed me down.
real fast. And she went, go.
How do you know you were 3?
I was in the car.
You were 3.
I was listening to you go,
You were 3, and you can't even remember what you did yesterday.
8.
Yes, I can.
Alright,
You're not
then.
going to have dessert because you're not going to have time.
Alright, tell me every detail you did yesterday.
Sleep, eat, poop,
Yes, shoes. So I have to eat all of it.
Yes.
Why?
You should eat it first.
It's a lot.
No, you're full of macaroni.
I'm not full.
Didn't
of
Put
I-
it right in your mouth and eat.
It's a lot.
Give some to
It's a
Justin.
lot. It's a lot.
No.
I thought you liked macaroni.
She's finished with the macaroni. She needs to finish her steak.
But you didn't have no macaroni.
I didn't need no macaroni. Macaroni not good for you.
So Go. Where?
Macaroni makes your cholesterol
Eat
go.
that last bite.
For a boy who didn't want steak, he sure wanted some steak.
No, I want
He didn't know how
pumpkin
good it
roll.
was. Oh, he's eating that for the pumpkin
I'm
roll.
telling you, you're gonna run out of time.
It's too much.
Eat it.
Neither
Give it
one.
to your brother, but he ate it.
Oh,
That's
like-
because I'm getting the real.
What the struggles you have to do to make these guys eat.
Give it to me and I'll eat it.
Eat it. It'll be worth it. There. Eat it.
What?
Oh.
Take your fork.
I am sweet DJ, sweet
What?
Nobody touch it.
Eat it.
I was treasure it forever.
Just eat it.
So it molds and rots away like autumn.
Good.
What's she doing?
I thought you would have gobbled that down already.
Here, lick your fork first.
Yuck.
Really, we didn't need to see the meat.
You know what to. That sounded like fireworks. I'm gonna treasure this forever.
Is that my breakfast, Mommy?
What?
Pumpkin roll?
No, they're taking it with them.
What? All of it?
Mm-hmm.
All of it?
Mm-hmm.
Both rolls?
Mm-hmm.
What?
We're just taking one roll.
Thank you, you're very kind.
We'll leave you the other half.
I feel good.
Oh, he's on the pumpkin
Mm-hmm.
roll now.
Happy days are here again.
All right.
Do I have to eat this one?
Autumn, you have to eat it all.
It's black. And it's not, I don't see any red.
Oh, it's
I don't
black.
like the-
I had a whole lot of black on.
Just scrape off the excess seasoning. You can just set it.
I wish I had known that.
Or you can bet it's
That's what gives it flavor.
Yeah.